So let us do more examples on finding angles involving multiple triangle. In this example, we need to find angle A, B, C and D. So this arm and these arms are equal. So if we consider this exterior triangle, where this arm and this arm is equal, so this one is given C and this one is given 40 degree. So opposite, that is corresponding angles of equal arm are equal, so C and 40 degree will be equal. So this angle C is 40 degree. Okay, now so this C is 40 degree, we already know that. So now here in this internal triangle, these two arms are equal. So these two arms are equal, so their corresponding angles will be equal. So this angle and this angle so will be equal. This angle and this angle will be equal. So this angle is also A. So in this small triangle, this one is A, this one is A, and this one is 40 degree. So summation of these three angles, this is a triangle, so summation of its internal three angles will be 180. So A plus 40 will be 180. So A plus A, that is twice A, plus 40 degree will be 180 degree, that is 2A will be 140 degree. If we take on the other side, A will be 70 degree. So these angles are 70 degree. So now we know this angle, we need to find B. A and B together, they make a straight angle. So if A is 70 degree, then B will be 110 degree, because 70 plus 110 makes 180. So we are getting B is 110 degree. So now we know B, this angle. Now we know this angle, we need to find, now A, B and C is done, we need to find this D, this angle. We know this angle, C is 40. Somehow if we know this angle, then C, D and this angle, they make one triangle. So we know A 70 degree and A and this angle together makes 180 degree, one straight line. So this angle will be 110 degree, similar to B. So this angle is 110, this angle is 40 and this is D. These three angles make 180 degree. So D plus this 40 plus this 110 altogether makes 180 degree. This is 150. If we take the other side, you will get 180 minus 150, so it will be 30 degree. So this angle D is 30 degree. It looks complex, but if we proceed step by step, it's not that difficult. Okay, here in this example we will be finding A, B, C, D and E. Let us see what we can do. This is given 90 degree, that is D plus E, these two angle is 90 degree. This angle is given 40. So we will be actually starting close to the known angles. So if we consider this right angle triangle, its one angle is A, this is 90 degree and this is 40 degree. So this is 40 and this is 90, altogether they are 130 degree, and these three angle will be 180 degree. So A will be 50 degree, 50 plus 130 will be 180. So we already found A is 50 degree. Now this 70 degree, how we can use this information? Okay, so now this is 90 degree, this is another 90 degree given, and this is 40 degree. So we can find this E, because if we take this triangle where this is 90 degree, so we are talking about this triangle here it is 90 degree, this is 40 degree. So this angle is E, here this angle is E. So 90 and 40, 130, Similarly, this E will be 50 degree. So E is also 50 degree. So we found E, this angle we found. Now E and D together makes 90 degree because this is a right angle. So E and D together makes 90 degree. Angle E itself is 50 degree. So angle D will be 40 degree because 40 and 50 will make 90 degree. So we found D, angle D. Okay, now we found A, we found D, we need to find B and C. Okay, now how we can use this 70 degree? Okay, now if we consider this triangle, big triangle, right angle triangle, then if we extend this one, then B plus 70 is its. So here it's like this. This is 70 degree and this is B. So this B plus 70, this is an external angle of this right angle triangle. So we know that this is a right angle triangle. If we extend it, so this is an exterior angle which is B plus 70, B plus 70 degree, and this one is 90 degree and this one is 40 degree. We know the value of an exterior angle is the sum of two opposite angle. So this B plus 70, this exterior angle B plus 70 will be equal to 90 plus 40, 90 degree plus 40 degree. So it is 130. If we subtract this 70, we will get B equals 60 degree. So this angle B is 60 degree. Now we need to find this C. This is 90 degree, and when two line cross, their opposite angles are same. So this is 90 degree, so this one will also be 90 degree. So in this triangle B is 60 degree, one is 90 degree, so we need to find this C. So the B is 60, this is 90, so altogether 90 plus 60, 90 plus 60 will be 150. And these three angles in this triangle, this angle, this angle and this angle, they are 120, and these two are 150, so this one will be 30 degree. So C is 30 degree. So we found A, B, C, D and E. Sorry, D and